This video walks you through how to connect Webflow and Make.com. Begin by signing in to your Make.com account. Once you are on the main workspace, create a new scenario. This gives you a blank setup where you can add the app connection and choose how Webflow will be used later in the automation. If you already have other scenarios in your account, make sure you're creating a new one rather than opening an older scenario by mistake. With the new scenario open, click the plus button to add your first module. A search panel will appear so you can choose the app you want to connect. Search for Webflow, then select the Webflow module you want to use. You may see more than one Webflow action or trigger depending on what you plan to do in Make.com. For this connection process, the key part is selecting a Webflow module so the connection field becomes available. After the module is placed in the scenario, look for the connection field inside the module settings. This is where Make.com stores the account link it will use to communicate with Webflow. In that connection field, click Add. This opens the connection window where you will create a new link between the two platforms. In the connection window, enter a name for your Webflow connection. The name can be anything that helps you recognize it later inside Make.com. If you manage more than one Webflow workspace or expect to create more than one connection in the future, use a name that clearly identifies the account or purpose. The name is for your reference inside Make.com, so choose something you will recognize when you return to this scenario later. Once the connection name is entered, click Save. Make.com will then move to the authorization step. At this point, you may be redirected to Webflow or shown a sign-in prompt from Webflow. Sign in to your Webflow account if requested, then authorize Make.com to access your workspace. Make sure you select the correct Webflow account or workspace before approving access, especially if you are signed in to more than one account in your browser. After authorization is complete, return to the Webflow module in Make.com. Check the connection field again and confirm that your new connection now appears there. It should be listed as the active connection for that module and be available to use in the scenario. If the module refreshes for a moment, wait for it to finish loading before checking the field. Your Webflow connection now appears in Make.com and is ready to use in the selected Webflow module.